Hi, Carol. Thanks for joining us, and I really appreciate you giving us feedback. Briefly, what is your business doing? What do you do
Our
for
business,
business?
our business is HVAC, and so we have been here 54 years. We have a very good reputation, built on honesty and integrity. We really do mean that, and we are trying to stay afloat during COVID.
Beautiful. And how was business before you took our workshop?
Business before I took your workshop has been steady. Before COVID, it was horrible.
Hmm.
And then when we came back from COVID, it has been nonstop.
What is one thing you got out of the workshop, the pandemic shift workshop?
The one thing I got was wonderful. The workshop was wonderful, was helped us to focus on a modality that we were about to put into place.
Mhm.
And I was a little bit nervous about it, was going online. And then as soon as I joined the workshop, I became very comfortable with it
Mm.
because the
There is a way to
roadblock
do
was my
this.
hesitation, the
Mm.
roadblock.
And how's business now because of the workshop?
I think business is great because of the workshop. We purchased the online program. We're in our training. We're getting things moving. We took the roadblock down and we are progressing. So we expect to be live by March.
Wow.
And it probably is going to be sooner than that, the way that I'm seeing the girls do their job.
Wow.
But so we set a deadline. And again, the workshop really helped us to flow along nicely with something that was a little bit on hold,
Mhm. Mhm.
you
Nice.
know.
Love it.